Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Let me turn that air down because it is hot because I just got in the car. But welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking your girl out. I truly appreciate it. Thank you for supporting me. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people who watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, whatever you're watching. Shout out to you because you my MVP of the channel. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for supporting me. But today I'm finally going to I don't know why I want to say Hobby Lobby, but I'm finally going to Home Depot. Like I said in the other video, a couple of people on my Friday live stream follow me every Friday 6 p.m. Central Time. I do a sip and chat, so join me at 6 p.m. Central for the sip and chat. We all just kind of talk about Bath and Body Works and whatever else is on our mind. We normally do it there on Fridays, 6 p.m. every Friday, 6 p.m. You can't say I didn't say it because I done said it a couple of times. Friday, 6 p.m. Central Time. Friday, 6 p.m. sip and chat. Yes, join us. But a lot of people, or two people, was saying about the candles that's at Home Depot. I had no clue at all that they had candles. So from my understanding, the candles is 16-ounce candles for $10. So you know your girl have to go check them out. Lacey Reviews sent me a picture of the candles, and I do see one candle that I am interested in. So if you're not following Lacey Reviews on Instagram, I think it's Lacey_reviews, I believe, on Instagram. Check her out, you know, support her. I cannot remember the other person's name. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna go back into my comments, and I most definitely will add or their comment inside of here because I clearly forgot the name. I'm sorry. But yeah, so I'm headed over there to see exactly what those candles look like. I might buy one. And then after that, I just got to do a little bit of running, not much. I really wanted to go to Bath and Body Works, but again, I'm getting such a late start. Oh my God, such a late start. It's almost 2 o'clock. So chances are your girl is gonna be stuck in a lot of traffic. And I hate being stuck in traffic. So let's get this one going. Let's go.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun for you and I. Carefree attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, damn. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing.
Looks like my store have these candles. At least I don't see them. But let me check on this side. Okay, y'all. I think I had to get some help because I couldn't find them. So one of the workers is helping me. We're gonna see if my store have them. If not, then it might just be selective stores that have these candles. I don't know. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is the only spot. Yeah, that's the only spot. Okay, just these two. Bummer.
Alrighty,
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, these are the only ones that my store have, even though these look a little bit different from the pictures that was sent to me. But so far, I guess these are the only ones, because this is the picture of some of the ones that was sent to me. Lacey Reviews sent that picture to me, and here go the other ones. Hopefully that comes through and don't have a glare on it. But as y'all do see, these are different. These are different. Tropical pineapple. And the other one is Island Hibiscus. Okay, these are 18-ounce candles for basically $10. I don't know. They smell pretty good. This one smells really creamy. It's kind of strong on cold. 2-wick candle, as y'all see. And this one, this most definitely have that floral. And again, 2-wick candle. But I'm really interested in the other ones, and they don't have them. So I might just grab one. I think I'm just gonna grab one. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one, and I'm gonna go up here and ask her, the lady, about the other ones.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Okay, y'all, I'm basically back home, but I just wanted to come in real quick and tell y'all about the candles, Home Depot candles. The candles, my store really didn't have any. I was able to get the Aroma, what is it? Aroma Homes, which is the tropical pineapple. I got this. This one does have the scent notes on the bottom of it. The scent notes is, and it's writing kind of little for me. The scent notes is pineapple, coconut cream, star fruit, and orange zest. That's what this one is. I feel like it is creamy. You can smell the pineapple in it, but to me, it's like a creamy pineapple. And I cannot think of what Bath and Body Works candle this might smell like. We have one. What is it? Pineapple. Not pineapple. Maybe pineapple colada. I'm gonna have to smell it and see. Yeah, this most definitely is creamy. with pineapple, or pineapple with that coconut cream. I can't tell you about the starfruit because I don't know what starfruit smell like. I really don't smell the orange zestiness. No, I don't smell orange zest, or maybe the orange and the pineapple is kind of blending together and you're getting that more of a citrus type of scent. But to me, on cold, it's not super strong. It's not super strong. So I did grab that one. And the other one is Island Hibiscus. Tiara flower, nectarine, I'm sorry, and honeysuckle. And then I grabbed this sugarcane GUAVA. This is the one of the ones that I was actually looking for. I really wanted the banana one, but my store did not have any of those. This was the last candle, the last one, and the brand is Signature Soy. So that's the brand. No scent notes on the bottom. And this is a 15.2 fluid ounce candle, and this one is a 18 ounce candle. This one, they both were like $10 each. Let's smell it. This one smells sweet. Yes. It does smell tropical, and it does smell sweet. It smells like something I smelled before, but I cannot put my hand on it. Yeah, this one comes off a little bit stronger than this one, but they both are 2-wick candles, as you see. 2-wick candles. And this one, 2-wick candle as well. My store had a ton of these. The second store I went to, because I had to go to 2 different stores, my first store, they didn't have any of these at all. None. Not even a tag for them. Whereas they had a few of these, but my second store, they had tons of these. So if this candle is good, I might go back and get the other one just to try it. But on first impression, I kind of like this jar better. It's heavier because it is a bigger candle. This jar is okay, but I really don't like this huge lid on it. I don't like that. As far as the label is really nice. The label is nice on both of them. I really like the label on both, so I have no issues with that. I'm just hoping that they throw good when I burn them, when I like them. If I had to compare which one I like more than the other one, I kind of like, I don't know. Let me smell them again, y'all. Yeah, I think I kind of like the guava one, the GUAVA or whatever it's called. I think I like this one better just because it's sweet and fruity, whereas this one is fruity, but it's more of a creamy. It's like a creamy pineapple. You really get that coconut cream in this one. So I'm just hoping that, you know, I really don't get pineapple candles because for some reason they mess with my sinuses. So I normally don't buy those. But out of the 2 that was at the store, to me, this one was the better one. The other one was more of a floral. So if I had to pick between floral and fruity, it's gonna always be the fruity candle. It's just, fruity is just my favorite. I love fruity candles. Then I would say I love like the food scents, you know, like the cupcakes and the donuts and things like that. And then I would say probably the spa type of candles, and then floral. So yeah, so that's the reason why I picked this one. And of course, this was the only one. So let me know, shout out to the people who told me about these candles. Well, they told me about this one. I just looked up on this one. But shout out to the people who told me about these candles in my live stream. I really, truly appreciate y'all all telling me about these candles. You know, oh, that's what the lid looked like. I didn't even show y'all the lid. That's what the lid looked like on this one. Yeah, it just has the name on it, and this lid just looked like that, and the bottle or the jar looks the same way. have that little detail in it. But like I said, shout out to the people who told me about this candle. And like I said, I just looked up on this one. I didn't even know Home Depot had candles. I did not know. I knew that they had the Febreze candles and the Febreze items and the Airwick items. I knew they had those items, but I never knew that they had these regular candles. I never knew that. Let me know, have you tried these new to me Home Depot candles? And we're gonna see how they do. I most definitely will come back with a review on these candles because I'm curious just like y'all. So yeah, leave in the comments if you know anything about these candles, the performance, does it throw good, anything, leave that in the comments. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video, follow your girl on Instagram, as well as hit the notification bell. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.